Hi guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com, and today I'm going to show you how I make my YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Now before we get started, we're going to be needing 5 things so you can add these to Canva. And that's going to be your profile picture here, then your bonus seal image, the play button, the product image, and then finally your brand logo. And then don't worry if you don't have one, simply put your name over here instead. Now let's get started. Go to your web browser and type in canva.com. Then it's going to take you into this main homepage here. Then you're going to have to click create a design, and you're going to have to find YouTube thumbnail. I think you're gonna have to go all the way down until you find it. Just right over here, click on that. And next is we're gonna be following this thumbnail so that you'll know how I actually made this. And so what we're gonna do first is find this background image here, and you're gonna see the magic. And so what I did first was I went to photos and typed in social media, and then find that specific background so that we can put it here and put an overlay so it's gonna have that black effect on the background. And it's probably Twitter, since the product is Twitter related, and so it's this one here. So as you can see, they both look identical. So I'm gonna select on this, and what you're gonna do is click on this image and drag it slowly so that it's gonna fill the entire image here, and then let go. It's gonna look like that. Then what you're gonna do next is go to background, then select black color, and don't worry about the picture, it's still there. And then what we're gonna do next is, actually I think I did it in reversed. So actually I have to put a black, let's start over. So I have to select black color and put the picture next, and slowly drag it over like that. Okay, then make sure you click on the image, then you go over here under transparency, then you're gonna have to drag this all the way down until you'll see the picture is almost fading, but then you want to make sure you put it under 25, just like that, so it has that overlay effect right there. So that looks nice. And the next would be, we're gonna have to find the product image here. So usually you'll find this onto if you're trying to promote digital products, you're gonna find this on a JV doc or in the sales page. And so I've already uploaded the image in Canva, so you're gonna have to find it onto JV doc, copy it and paste it here. But for the purposes of this training, let's pretend that I took that picture from the JV page and copy that image, and then I'm gonna apply it here. Okay, just like that. And you wanna make it smaller so that it's gonna look okay onto this thumbnail. Then next would be, we're gonna have to Google a play button. So it's really easy. All you gotta do here is, let's see here, YouTube play button. It's going to show you all this play button here. It doesn't really matter which ones, as long as they look like this. And let's say I'm gonna select this one, and I've already have this play button. So all you got to do is save it onto your documents here. So go ahead and save that one, and then you're gonna have to upload the picture over here. Click upload, and all you gotta do is drag it into the center of this thumbnail. So I'm gonna have to find that play button here somewhere, or maybe I'm gonna do it right now so you'll see how it works. Save, play it somewhere, or save it somewhere rather. And we might have to delete the white background because you'll know what I'm talking about. And so let's upload the image. We need to delete the white background because you're gonna know why. So as you can see here, it's got the white background. It doesn't look realistic, and so I'm gonna delete that one, and I'm going to have to go to background image here. This is the website for the background image remover. So I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description to access this website. So you're gonna come here and you don't have to sign in. So all you gotta do is click upload image, and you have to find that picture, select that one and hit open, and it's gonna automatically delete the background here, the white background. So next is you're gonna have to copy that image and paste it into Canva. So you're gonna have to select Control V, because if you hit right click and paste, it's not going to let you paste the image. So you're going to have to type it in the keyboard and type in Control V, and it's going to paste the image. So as you can see here, the white background is gone and it looks really nice. So you're going to have to drag this smaller just like that, and as you can see, the crossed lines here that's letting you know that it's centered, and so you want to leave it in the middle so that it looks realistic, just like that. And then next would be your photo image. So you guessed it right, gotta have to find your profile image, then upload it over here. So I have my profile image, or what you can do is actually go here, find my background image, probably have it here, then select your background image. There's this one, drag it down here. Is another way for you to paste your images from your documents, and then just drag it down here. That's another way for you to paste your images too, if you find that one easier. Or if you can't find the photos that you wanted online, then you can just drag it down from your documents over here and put it into Canva, just like that. And you want to make it a little bigger so that everyone can see your beautiful face. And then next would be the bonus seal here. So let's type in extra bonus seal, and I think I might have typed gold seal. And then we're gonna have to find the perfect one. Let me see here, or maybe just extra bonus seal. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back because I found the best bonus seal that I wanted to add into my YouTube thumbnail over here. So all you gotta do is type in gold extra bonus seal, exactly, and then you're gonna have to come down here and copy this one, because I really like this one, because it says extra bonus. That means I'm letting everyone know that I can add, or I can give them an extra bonus. If you are into online marketing, you'll know what I'm talking about. So what I did was I copied this image. I already copied it, and earlier I also deleted the background so that it's gonna have that nice seal without the white background. And don't worry about this. This is actually the watermark from Adobe, and if you post anything onto your thumbnail, they're not gonna be seeing it, so don't worry about the watermark. It's not really that obvious, honestly. And so go ahead and save that, and take out the white background into the whitebackground.com remover. Then it's gonna look like this, and what you're gonna do next is right click, copy the image, then go back to Canva. Then you might want to click on to the image here, and then Control V to paste this bonus image. And then next is you're gonna have to Then you're gonna have to make it smaller. So as you can see here, no one can tell the watermark. It's very vague. It looks nice, but then it's not that obvious. And you might wanna, however that you wanna put the bonus image the way you want, but I prefer this way because in the picture I'm pointing at the bonus page. So this is why I put this bonus seal image over here. The next is we're gonna be typing in tweet text. So this is the product that I was promoting earlier this week. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be using text and add a heading. Then we're gonna be typing in tweet text, so the name of the product, and then you're gonna have to enlarge the name of the product just like that, or make it smaller a little bit actually, and then just drag it, let's see here, drag it on the top right just like that. And over here, if you have a logo, a brand logo that you have in mind, so go ahead and put it over here. If you don't have one, I can show you how to add your name here, just to keep it simple, because if you just started, all you got to do is put in your name just like that. Once you have your brand logo, you can go ahead and add it here. So as you can see here, and we're going to be typing in exclusive review right next to your name here. So again, add a heading, type in exclusive review just like that. Again, however you want to put this next to your name, make it smaller so it looks nicer and neat. And by the way, if you notice, I don't add too much onto my thumbnail, is because I don't want to show my thumbnail to my viewers and it's got like a lot of stuff around my thumbnail. I keep it simple and clean because as you can see here, less is more. And so so just like that, it looks the same. Okay, so that's it. So this is how I make my thumbnails. So let's say, for example, you've created your first thumbnail like this, and then you can go ahead and save this one. Okay, so what you need to do next is actually press download, and that's how you can save your thumbnail so that you can add this to your videos. It's gonna keep downloading, then it's gonna come over here and you need to open the file and save this thumbnail just like that. So that's how you save, so you can add it to your video. Then what if you're gonna be creating review videos all the time? So just to save you some time, this is what you need to do, because I usually just replace this one, because if I start over, create this from the scratch, it's gonna take me a long time. So what you're gonna do is go to, let me refresh it so that this one will show up onto my designs here. So you're gonna have to go to canva.com and go to all your designs, and if you go over here, I think this is it here. Let me start over just a sec, because this is gonna save you some time and you don't have to make it from the scratch, so that you can just start breezing into this process. And so I think this is it. So it's still generating, but it's usually gonna show over here onto this first one here. So why don't you go ahead and click on that, and it's gonna show over here. So let's say if you want to promote another product, so all you need to do is just delete this product image, just delete the name of the product, and that's it. That's all you gotta do, and then just replace it with a new one. So let's say we want to promote the little black book, just like that, and then just type in the name of the product. and then you're gonna make it smaller just like that, and then just drag the title of this product here, and then that's it. You know, this is the easy way for you to replace your thumbnails if you're in a hurry, or if you're trying to promote like 5 products a week, then this should be easy enough. And also I actually forgot to change the background, so make sure to replace the background. So all you gotta do is just click on the image right there and then just hit delete, and it's gonna disappear. And all you gotta do is just find an image in Canva that relates to the product that you're promoting. And so maybe you can type in black book, and then all you gotta do is just select. By the way, if you see the pro icon, you can't use it, is because it's gonna show you the watermark. So you're gonna have to find a free version of it. So this one, maybe we can use it. Slowly drag it just like that, and click on the image until this one shows up, and then just click on the transparency and bring down the transparency to your liking, or you can bring it down to 25 is what I usually prefer, just like that. And it's gonna look like the same one that I have here, just like this, same exact thing here. And then once you replace that, then don't forget to change the name of your thumbnail, affiliate black book, just however you want to save it, because it's such a long title. So I just type in affiliate black book just to keep it short. Then you can download to save, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you create your thumbnails in an easy way if you want to promote 5 products a week. It's just easier that way. So make sure you create your first thumbnail, so that all you can do is just go back to the previous thumbnail and just replace it. Just replace the background, and then just replace the name of the product and the product image, so that it's just easier and it's faster that way, instead of having to create a brand new thumbnail. So that's what I've been doing, just to make it easier, so that I can just replace these 3 things here: background, product, title, and then I'm good to go. And so yeah, that's about it. And I hope you like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.